Hi everybody, 11 Institute welcomes all the students of Standard 9 to Mathematics, chapter number 2, Polynomials, video lecture number 12. We have been discussing about the sums based upon the identities, and today we will solve the sums like this, which are based upon the identity that you can see at the bottom of your screen. X plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So three terms are there, their individual squares, and then 2 times xy, 2 times yz, and 2 times xz or zx. Right. So we have example number 19 over here, where we have 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. Let us solve it over here. Let us see the solution. Yes, so we have over here 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. So we know the formula very well, x square plus y square plus z square. So we will first just speak this formula, put up the brackets, but will not write any value. So let me write over here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. So now let us put up the values over here. Here we have 3a, 4b and 5c, right, individuals. Now we will write the first two over here, that is 3a and 4b. Then we will write the next two terms, 4b and 5c over here, and the next two terms, that is 5c and 3a, we shall write over here. So here we have 5c and 3a. Fine, this we have applied the formula. Now what we have to do is just some normal calculation or simplification. So 3a the whole square will give us 9a square plus 4b the whole square will give us 16b square plus 5c the whole square will give us 25c square. Now we have to multiply. So first of all, just multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24 and AB. So we get 24AB over here. Plus again we will multiply the numbers. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So we have 40 BC. And again we shall multiply the numbers. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we have 30 CA. Where CA laho ke AC laho, both of them are fine. So this is our final answer. You cannot solve it further. Very simple one. Right, please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have finished this. Let us now move ahead to example number 20. Right. Only difference is, in the previous question we were having plus in between the terms. Here we are having minus in between the terms. That's it. There is no other difference. But still we have to use the same formula. And for your clarification, I will just convert this minus into plus. Once you are frequent or you are handy, you do not need to do any such step. You can apply the formula directly also. But for now, we are taking some precaution. We will write over here 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. This we can write as follows: 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c the whole square. So you can see now we are having plus in between all the terms, and apart from that plus minus minus plus minus minus. So we have satisfied the question also. Now simply we will apply this formula. X plus y plus z the whole square is, what is the formula that we have? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. So speak the entire formula but do not write any of the values. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now just input the values from here. The first value that we have is 4a. Then what we have, minus 2b. Then we have minus 3c. તો દર વખતે આ સ્ટેપ કરવાની જરૂર નથી, તમે આમાંથી બી -2b અને -3c લખી શકો છો, બટ જો ન ફાવતું હોય તો એ જ સ્ટેપ કરવામાં આપણું કંઈ જતું નથી. નાઉ ધ ફર્સ્ટ two terms 4a and -2b, we can write over here 4a and -2b. Next two terms -2b -3c, we can write over here -2b and -3c, and again we can write the third and the first term, so -3c and 4a. We can write over here -3c and 4a. Now simply expand. So 4a the whole square is nothing but 16a square plus -2 no square 4 and b no square b square, so we have 4b square plus -3 square is 9 and c square is c square, so 9c square. તો ક્યારેય બી આ ત્રણ ટર્મ તો નેગેટિવ આવવાની જ નથી. Now if you can see over here plus minus minus, અહીંયા થોડું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so we have 16ab over here. Then again you can see minus minus plus, and plus તો અહીંયા already છે, so here we will have plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so we have plus 12bc. And again over here I can see plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, so we have 24ca. I hope this is very much clear to you. You have to be very much clear about the signs, right? Don't make mistakes over there. So this is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, let us move ahead. Yes, so exercise 2.5, main question number 4, and we have 6 sub questions. All are based upon the same formula. So we will do them one by one, right? In all of them we have to apply this formula that is given over here. So let us try the first one. X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So we will first apply the formula. We very well know that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Now just input the value. So first we have x, then we have 2y, then we have 4z. Now first and second, so we will write x and 2y, second and third, so we will write 2y and 4z, and then we have third and first, so we will write 4z and x, 4z and x. Now just expand. So here we have x square, 2y the whole square is nothing but 4y square, 4z the whole square is 16z square. Now we will multiply the numbers, so 2 2s are 4, so we have plus 4xy, again 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, so we have 16yz, and then we have 2 4s are 8, so we will get over here 8zx. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have written this. Let us now solve the second one. So I will write the question over here first. Right, but as you can see there is a minus sign over here, so we will modify itself. We will modify it. So 2x plus minus y plus z the whole square. We can see everywhere we want plus. So instead of this minus y, we have written plus into the brackets minus y. Now we have to apply the formulas. So what we will do? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Now just input the values. So here I will write 2x minus y and z. Now the first two terms, so we have 2x and minus y, I will write it over here. Then second and third, so I will write minus y and z. Now the last one and the first one, so z and 2x. Just multiply and square. So instead of 2x the whole square, now I can write 4x square plus, as it is minus y no square થઈ જશે y square, and then over here we can write z square. Now plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4, so we have over here 4xy, again plus minus minus, so we can write 2 into y into z. Now here there is only positive term, so we can write plus, 2 2s are 4, so we can write over here 4zx. Right, so this is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Let us now move to the third one. So again we are having a negative term over here, so we can write it like this. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. So we have plus in between each and every time. Now we will apply the formula, so we can write over here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Now we will write the terms over here. So here I will write minus 2x, 3y and 2z. Now first and second term, so I will write over here minus 2x and 3y. Then I will write second and third term, so 3y and 2z. Then I will write third and first term, so we can write 2z and minus 2x over here. This is 2z and this is minus 2x. Now simply we will apply the squares and multiply the brackets. So minus 2 the whole square is 4, so we can write over here 4x square, 3y the whole square is 9y square, 2z the whole square is 4z square. Now plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so we can write over here 12xy. Now this is plus itself, so we can multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so we can write over here 12yz. Again over here plus minus minus, we can write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Right, so we can write over here 8zx. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have finished this. Let us now move to the fourth one. You can see minus sign over here, so we will first convert that into positive one. Right, so you can see we have converted the negative into positive ones and kept the question as it is. Again we will first apply the formula, so we shall write over here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Now just put the values over here. So we have 3a minus 7b and minus c. Now first two terms are 3a and minus 7b. Next two are minus 7b and minus c. And last one is minus c and first one is 3a. So I can write over here minus c and 3a. Let us move ahead. 3a the whole square is 9a square plus minus 7 square is 49, and instead of b we can write b square, and minus c the whole square is nothing but c square. Now here we have plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, so we will write over here 42 times ab, minus minus plus, and here we have plus already, so we will write plus, 2 7s are 14, so plus 14 bc, and finally we have again plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6, so we can write over here 6ca. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, let us move ahead to the fifth one. Again, first of all, we will convert the negative terms into the positive ones. Minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z the whole square. Right, now we will just apply the formula, which is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Just input the values over here. So we have minus 2x, 5y, minus 3z. First and second, so we have minus 2x and 5y. Second and third, we shall write 5y and minus 3z. And then we have last and first, so minus 3z and minus 2x. Right. Now let us move ahead. Minus 2x the whole square will be 4x square. 5y the whole square will give us 25y square. Minus 3z the whole square will give us 9z square. Here we have plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we have 20xy plus minus. Again we have minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we have 30yz. And then we have minus minus plus, so we can write over here plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 times zx. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have finished this. Let us now move to the sixth one. Please mark this as an important sum. Right. Based upon the same formula, we shall first write the question like this. See, we can write a upon 4 minus b upon 2 plus 1 the whole square. Right, a into 1 is a, so we have a upon 4, similarly b upon 2 plus 1. હવે આ જોઈને ટેન્શનમાં નહીં આવવાનું, જસ્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલા જ અપ્લાય કરવાની છે. સ્ટિક ટુ ધી ફોર્મ્યુલા. તો એના માટે જ આપણે આવી પ્રેક્ટિસ પાડેલી છે, that only speak the formula and write down the brackets. So simply now here we will write x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. That's it. Now just put the values from over here. Let us do that. Here I will write a upon 4. Here I will write minus b upon 2, and here I will write 1. Yes, some of you might be having some confusion over here, so I will just change this like previous questions, plus minus b upon 2. Right. Now we will input the first and second value. So here I will write a upon 4 and minus b upon 2. Then I will write minus b upon 2 and 1 over here. Minus b upon 2 and 1. And then I will write 1 and a upon 4. So here I shall write 1 and a by 4. That's it. Now just solve them. So here I will square it. So I will get a square upon 16. બંનેનો square કરવાનો. Similarly, here I will get b square upon 4, and we very well know that 1 square is 1. Now the story begins over here. This 2 and this 2 will cancel each other. Plus minus will give us minus. Multiply the numerators, we have a into b, which is ab, divided by we have only 4. That's it. Again over here I will cancel this 2 with this 2. So again I have plus minus minus. B into 1 will give me b. Simple. And over here I will cancel 2 2's are positive term itself, so I will write plus a into 1 is a, and into the denominators I have only 2, so I will write plus a by 2. This is our final answer, nothing to worry. એટલા જ step થયા છે, થોડું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. Right, that's it. This is our final answer. So this sum is very important from examination point of view. Please mark this as important. Pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have finished writing this. Let us now move ahead and solve example number 21. The same formula, but now we have to do the reverse. Till now we have done expansion. Now we have to factorize. તો આ જોઈને પહેલા તો ખબર પડવી જોઈએ કે આ કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલાનું એક્સપાન્શન છે. We can see that first 3 are positive squares. Then we have 3 different terms over here, and here we have 3 singular linear terms. Right. So, but obvious this is expansion of x plus y plus z the whole square. Right. તો આ ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણા મગજમાં રખડવી જોઈએ. પહેલા આપણને આ આપેલું હતું અને આ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા. આ વખતે આપણને આ આપેલું છે, and we have to go reverse. Right. Now one thing you have to take care. Right, all the signs should be positive over here, then that is normal. If all the signs are not positive, any two terms will be negative. જો આ ત્રણ તો જોવાના જ નથી. They are squares, so they will be definitely positive. The rest 3 terms, either all 3 should be positive, then that is a very simple sum to solve. If all 3 are not positive, any 2 terms will be negative, and you have to check for it. Right, that which 2 terms are negative. Now here I can see the first one and the second one are negative. Now you have to see the variable which is common in both. So I can see that here also I have y, and here also I have y. Y is common in both. So when I will factorize this, I will take the sign of y as negative. I will take the sign of y as negative. We will come over here once again. For now, we will just apply the formula, and let us see how to begin. So the first step that we have to do over here is this. Just speak this formula. Right, but don't write anything instead of brackets. So we will write over here, we have x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Now what we have to do is we have to take the square roots. Right, so if all of them are positive, here at the back just take the square roots over here. But here we have to see that all the terms given behind are not positive. Right, so we will look for the negative terms. This is the first negative term that I have, and this is the second negative term that I have. Now what do you find common between them? I can see that y is common amongst them. Right, sorry, just a minute. Yes, fine. I am not able to change the color of highlighter. That is fine. Yes, you can see that y is common over here. So we will take the sign of y as negative, and x and z will be positive. You can see plus xz. So x and z will be taken as positive while y will be taken as negative. આ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે negative term નું ખાસ. right? So now you have to focus on these three terms only. પાછલું બધું ભૂલી જાઓ. હવે just આ ત્રણ આગળના જુઓ, એના square root કાઢવાના છે. So what is the square root of 4x square? Definitely that is 2x, right? 2x the whole square is 4x square. What is the square root of y square? Y. But my dear friends, here I will write minus y as discussed over here, that y is common as a negative term over here, and instead of z square I will write only z over here. આટલું જ કરવાનું છે. આ ત્રણ નંબર ખાલી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. અહીંયા તો ખાલી સજાવટ જ છે, બરાબર ને? જસ્ટ ફાઇન્ડ ધીસ થ્રી ટર્મ્સ લાઈક ધીસ. ત્રણ ટર્મ ફાઇન્ડ કરવામાં શું કર્યું? તમે સ્ક્વેર રૂટ કરેલો છે, બટ નેગેટિવ ટર્મ કઈ આવશે તેનું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. પાછળ બધા પોઝિટિવ હોય તો આવું કંઈ વિચારવાનું જ નથી, બટ મિનિમમ બે ટર્મ નેગેટિવ આપેલી હોય તો એ બંને નેગેટિવ ટર્મમાં કોમન શું છે? વાય. તો આપણે વાય વાળા ભાઈને નેગેટિવ લેવાના છે. નાઉ simply we will write the first two, that is 2x and minus y over here. Then we can write minus y and z over here, and then we can write z and 2x as last term. So now you can verify plus minus minus 2 into 2 is 4xy, બરાબર આવે છે. Plus minus minus 2 into y into z 2yz, અને positive 2 2s are 4 4zx, બધું બરાબર આવે છે. તો બધું બરાબર આવે છે તો આ ત્રણ આપણા આન્સર છે, 2x minus y plus z. તો આ ત્રણેયને આપણે એક જ બ્રેકેટમાં લખશું હવે આવી રીતે, 2x minus y plus z the whole square. This is our answer. હવે આ આપણે ફેક્ટોરાઇઝ કર્યું છે, આનો હજી એક આન્સર પોસિબલ છે, રાઈટ? સમજી લેજો, સિમ્પલ છે. વન મોર આન્સર ઇઝ પોસિબલ. સ્ટેપ આવી ગયો, આન્સર આવી ગયો, બટ આના સિવાય હજી એક આન્સર પોસિબલ છે. અને એ આન્સરની અંદર અહીંયા જેટલી નેગેટિવ ટર્મ છે એને પોઝિટિવ લેવાની, જેટલી પોઝિટિવ છે તેને નેગેટિવ લેવાની. So we can write over here minus 2x plus y minus z the whole square. Both the answers are correct. મતલબ તમે આની અંદર ફોર્મ્યુલા અપ્લાય કરશો તો બી આ આન્સર આવશે, આની અંદર ફોર્મ્યુલા અપ્લાય કરશો તો બી આન્સર આવશે. સર એવું કેમ? સ્ક્વેર ઓફ નેગેટિવ નંબર્સ આર ઓલ્સો પોઝિટિવ, બરાબર? તો પેલી ત્રણ ટર્મ તો તમે આ બંનેને બી માઇનસ લઈ લેશો તો બી અહીં પોઝિટિવ જ આવવાનું છે, અને જ્યારે બે નેગેટિવ ટર્મ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશો તો બી અહીંયા આન્સર પોઝિટિવ આવશે. એવું કંઈ નથી વિચારવું, આ તો સમજાય જ ગયું છે આવી રીતના આન્સર છે. જે કંઈ બી આન્સર આવે ને એમાં છેલ્લે સાઇન ફેરવી નાખવાની, તો હજી એક આન્સર પોસિબલ છે લખવાનું, that both of them are correct. હવે તમને સંતોષ જોતો હોય તો ભાઈ આવડું આ બી શું કામ સાચું છે, તો તમે આને એક્સપાન્ડ કરીને જોજો, તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જશે that why this is correct, right? Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have written this. Let us now move ahead. Exercise 2.4, main question number 5. Again I can see that first three terms in both the questions are perfect squares, and then we have linear terms in combination of 2. So this is definitely the expansion of this identity. So let us solve the first one over here, right? Let us solve the first one. So I will directly write the answer over here, and you very well know that in case of answer તા પહેલા છે ને આ ક્વેશ્ચન લખી લેવાનો અહીંયા, તમે જ્યારે એક્ઝામમાં લખો ને તો નહીં તો શું છે ફરી પાછા સ્ટેપ્સ ઓછા દેખાશે. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. તો સૌથી પહેલા તો મને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે આ કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલાનું એક્સપાન્શન છે, તો we will just write the formula over here. શું છે આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલા ભાઈ? x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. That's it, right? Now I have to see that either all the terms should be positive over here. If they are positive, I do not have to think about sign, but here I can see that two terms are negative, minus 24yz minus 16zx, and what is common between them? Z, બરાબર ને? z બંનેમાં કોમન છે, તો જ્યારે હું અહીંયાથી સ્ક્વેર રૂટ કાઢીશ ત્યારે x નો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ પોઝિટિવ હશે, આનો બી પોઝિટિવ હશે, બટ આનો આપણે નેગેટિવ રાખવાનો છે. So when I take the square root of 4x square, I will get 2x. Instead of 9y square, I will write 3y. Instead of 16z square, we get 4z, but here I will write minus. This is the only important thing that you have to take care of. આટલું જ કરવાનું છે. હવે તો કઈ નહીં, સિમ્પલ ફર્સ્ટ ટુ બંને જસ્ટ કોપી મારવાના છે ભાઈ, 2x અને 3y. પછી નેક્સ્ટ 3y અને -4z, અને પછી -4z અને ફર્સ્ટ શું હતું 2x, રાઈટ. ધીસ ઇઝ 4z, 42 નથી, ધ્યાન રાખજો, રાઈટ. સિમ્પલ ચેક કરી લેવાનું આપણે એકવાર. જો ભાઈ આ બધું પોઝિટિવ છે તો અહીંયા પોઝિટિવ, પ્લસ માઇનસ માઇનસ 2 3 6 6 4 24 બરાબર આવે છે, પ્લસ માઇનસ માઇનસ 2 4 8 8 2 16 બધું બરાબર આવે છે. તો આ આપણો આન્સર છે 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So we can write over here 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square, right? Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this. Let us now move to the second question, again based upon the same formula. અને આવું 2√2 ને 4√2 જોઈને મૂંઝાઈ જવાનું નહીં. ખાલી તમને યાદ હોવું જોઈએ કે આ કઈ આઈડેન્ટિટીનું એક્સપાન્શન છે આનું, બરાબર. તો ક્વેશ્ચન તો અહીંયા લખેલો જ છે. We will directly write the answer, right? We are solving the second one and this is a very much important sum, right? So we know that this is the formula of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. That's it, right? Now what I have to take care of is the last three terms. All of them are not positive, so I will look for the negative terms. બરાબર ને, ગમે તે બે ટર્મ નેગેટિવ હશે તો I can see this term is negative, this term is also negative. આ બંને નેગેટિવ છે. તો હવે બંનેમાં નેગેટિવ જે ટર્મ્સ છે એમાં કોમન શું છે? x. Here also I have x. માઇનસ છે અને x છે, માઇનસ છે અને x છે. તો જ્યારે હું આના સ્ક્વેર રૂટ લઈશ ત્યારે x નો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ નેગેટિવ લઈશ અને y અને z નો પોઝિટિવ લઈશ. ધેટ્સ ઇટ, રાઈટ. તો 2 નો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ શું થાય? 2 તો પરફેક્ટ સ્ક્વેર નથી, તો 2 નો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ શું બની જશે? √2. અને x સ્ક્વેર નો શું બની જશે? x. So we will write over here √2x, બટ આગળ શું આવી જશે ભાઈઓ? માઇનસ. ડિસાઈડ થયું ને અહીંયા, રાઈટ, કે x નેગેટિવ છે. પછી y સ્ક્વેર ની જગ્યાએ અહીંયા શું આવી જશે? y. 8z સ્ક્વેર એનો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ આપણે લેવાનો છે, તો સમજજો કે આપણે આનો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ લેવાનો છે 8z સ્ક્વેર, રાઈટ. તો we can write it like this, 4 into 2 into z square, right? Now instead of 4 we can take the square root and write like this. This √2 will remain as it is and z square નો square root શું બની જશે? z. 4 નો square root 2, z square નો square root z, 2 નો square root પોસિબલ નથી તો ત્યાં √2. તો આનો આન્સર શું આવી ગયો? 2√2z. એટલે હવેથી યાદ રાખજો, z સ્ક્વેર નું તો z થયું, સમજાઈ ગયું, બટ √8 નો આન્સર 2√2 થાય. આ ઘણી બધી જગ્યાએ આવશે, તો દર વખતે આપણે એક્સપ્લેનેશન નહીં કરીએ, સમજી જ લેવાનું that √8 is equal to 2√2. Fine. So let us write it over here now in the steps. Right. So here instead of 8z square I will write 2√2z. બરાબર. z અને 2 ની વચ્ચે ડિફરન્સ રાખવાનો, ખબર પડવી જોઈએ, ડિપેન્ડિંગ અપોન યોર હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ. હવે તો કાંઈ નહીં, આ ત્રણેય મળી ગયા ને, પેલું બીજું, બીજું ત્રીજું અને ત્રીજું અને પેલું. ધેટ્સ ઇટ. સો હિયર I will write minus √2x and y. Then I will write y and 2√2z. And then I will write over here 2√2z અને પેલી ટર્મ શું છે? -√2x. બસ થઈ ગયું, કાંઈ વિચારવાની જરૂર જ નથી. છતાં વિચારવું હોય તો વિચારો. પ્લસ માઇનસ માઇનસ 2 into √2, 2√2x અને y બરાબર આવે છે. અહીંયા જોઈ લો પોઝિટિવ, 2 2s are 4, 4√2yz. અહીંયા જોઈ લો 2√2 into √2, એટલે √2 into √2 એટલે 2, 2 2s are 4 અને 4 2s are 8. પ્લસ માઇનસ માઇનસ બધું બરાબર છે. તો ભાઈ પેલી ત્રણ ટર્મ આપણો આન્સર છે. તો પેલી ત્રણ ટર્મમાં આપણી પાસે શું છે? -√2x plus y plus 2√2z the whole square. This is one possible answer. And one, by reversing the terms, we can write 2 root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z the whole square. Sorry, અહીંયા 2 નહીં આવે, only root 2 આવશે, right? Root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z. This is our final answer. Pause the video, write this down, and I guess we have skipped something over here. Yes, અહીંયા આપણે second answer લખવાનું ભૂલી ગયા છીએ. We can write or minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z the whole square. તો આ એક first question માં additional answer લખી આપજો. એના પછી આ તો આપણે કરેલું જ છે, right? So here we end our video lecture. We have today seen identity number 5, and in the next video lecture we will move ahead with other identities. You have to write all the sums done today one time in CW and one time in homework book, right? Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.